Hello, our kitty can draw friend. Pika Pika Snow Snow. Ready to draw a Pikachu Snowman? Let's start drawing. First, draw a curved line for the bottom of the hat. Then draw a diagonal line coming up from each side. Then connect them with another curved line. Draw a curved line coming up from each side, going towards the center, meeting each other. Draw a zigzag circle coming out from the top of the hat for the pom-pom. Draw an upside down letter V on the left side of the hat and make its lines wiggly to look like a carrot. Close it at the bottom with a curved line. Repeat the same steps on the other side, just make it slightly tilted downwards to finish the ears. Draw a line near the tip of each carrot. Then decorate the carrot with a few lines coming out from each side. To make the face outline, draw a curved line coming down from each carrot. Then draw a wider curve on each side for the cheeks. Connect them together at the bottom with a curved line. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw oval shapes for the eyes that are slightly tilted. And color them, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw a tiny triangular shape in the middle for the nose and two half circles coming down from it. Draw two vertical lines coming down from the face. Connect them together at the bottom with a curved line for the scarf. Draw two vertical lines coming down from the scarf. Connect them together at the bottom. Draw a zigzag circle for the pom-pom. Draw a large half circle under the scarf for the body of the snowman. Draw two circles in the middle for the buttons. Make them slightly irregular to resemble the stones. Draw two lines coming out from each side of the body for the arms. Attached to each arm, draw three fingers to make it look like a twig. Now to make Pikachu tail, draw a zigzag line coming out from the right side. Then another similar one over it. And connect them together at the end. Now decorate the bottom part of the hat with some vertical lines. And decorate the scarf similarly. Draw two zigzags on the top part of the hat. And a small zigzag on the tail. Decorate the bottom part of the scarf with some horizontal lines. That was so much fun! Now you can draw Pikachu Snowman. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.